their ways or locking them up. And we don't want to be locking up, obviously, 396 kids. But, what's the situation at the moment? Because we keep hearing that it's getting quite chaotic in the prison system for young kids as well.
Yeah, and I don't disagree with that. So Victoria Police is fully committed to making the community safer through the prevention and reduction of harm caused by young people. But we're also equally focused on youth as victims of crime. So we've got a broad brush, so it's not just about the enforcement. So we absolutely will hold young people to account and ensure timely resolution of matters. But we'll disrupt through operations. We currently run through Southern Metro Operation 1010, which is focused on high-risk youth and how we can rehabilitate.
Slow down! No, keep it. Oh. Look at this clusterfuck. This is a fucking classic. The car. I can't believe it. The car! Done it. Fucking told yous.
Doesn't sound good for his family, no. And finishing off with an audit, the Health Minister, Jimmy Mikakos, has ordered...
Are you fucking serious, gun?
...public hospitals and nurses...
What the fuck are you...
What is he doing?
Seriously?
Wait, what is he doing?
He's supposed to do a burnout.
What is he doing?
Like, might as well just water.
What is wrong with him?
Fucking idiot! What the fuck?
Hey, this is our spot. Go on, get out of here. Hey. Yeah, that's it, fella. Come back here. You let him go. Hey.